bit I'm getting more handsome.
This one is perhaps a little bit early, but this one's called Thanks for the Night.
This is actually written about the people who rioted. It's about the people who rioted in Brixton and Toxteth. I don't think many people got the message what the song means, but it's called Thanks for the Night. Let's go!
We need a little bit of room in the front because the people are getting squashed down here. So we can just drag out a few bodies.
It's been going really well so far. Let's blow it, right?
Everyone's had a real good day, right? So all you've got to do is just move back 1 foot each. If you all move back 1 foot, just one people will stop being crushed. Yeah, that's right. Just go back 1 foot. It's not a lot.
It's in a confrontational thing, right?
We've had a good day. We've had to give the media something to write about.
There's a message behind what we're doing.
Right? Don't want to give those bastards something to put us down with. Don't let people get crushed. That's fucking new ammunition for a Tory bastard to give us us a hard time. The responsibility is ours. We're the ones with the brain. We are the ones who count. It's our life. So move back, don't crush and don't fight. Let's just fucking prove we can do it on our own.
How are you then? You're all standing vertical once more.